My name is Dr. Suresh. I am a medical doctor. I completed my MBBS in 2002. Out of 14 years, 12 years I have been practicing dietetics. So I gave up my medical practice just to be a dietitian, and I take pride in calling myself as a dietitian rather than a doctor. The reason for doing these videos is to help students and practicing dietitians and people who are preparing for RD exam. Okay, now you are learning, you have learned nutrition, dietetics, dietary management, and therapeutic diets, and all of them. So I'm not going to talk about it. But the moment when you prescribe a diet, okay, so we look at three things. The three things would be like we need to have a proper knowledge on our subject, and we know how to apply that knowledge in a given scenario, and same thing conveyed to the patient or the consumer about diet through appropriate counseling. I know all of you are good in knowledge, application, and counseling part, but the advantages of this video is the moment you prescribe a diet to an individual, knowing about right kind of food, but the moment food is consumed, it goes into the stomach, it needs to be digested, absorbed, right? So the first thing is your digestive system need to be in proper health, and third thing is you need to have proper enzyme functionality, and the fourth one is you need to have proper absorption of nutrition, and finally once it is absorbed, it goes into liver. For your diet to work properly, your liver also need to be in proper condition. Then the colon, right, the last part of the intestine, colon, contains bacteria. So healthy bacteria which helps in absorption of micronutrients such as vitamin B12. So if colon is toxic, the food may not be processed completely, some of the micronutrients may not be absorbed, and the most important thing is the hormones that manage the nutrients into the cell. Say for example, if you look at a cell, this is a blood vessel, and on either side of it you see cells. Okay, once the nutrient is there, say for example glucose, in order for glucose to enter into the cell, you need a hormone called insulin, right? And insulin is not the only hormone in our body. So there are different hormones, they all respond to our emotions, right? So whether a person, the client who is getting diet plan, is getting right kind of hormones or not.